Hey everyone! So I have a very special unboxing for you today. I just got a small little package from Kathy at Lace and Whimsy, and she put together a little package of stickers for me to try out and do some journal videos with. So I'm going to show you what I got. First, this is her business card. She actually redesigned like her whole entire shop, and it's really, really lovely. Oh my goodness. So I will leave the links down below in the description box for you. So that is that. And then in the package was this postcard here. I believe it's an original drawing of hers of a Ziegfeld girl, and it's so, so pretty. And then on the back, she kind of wrote out her little Lace and Whimsy description and then hand wrote this little note for me. But this is so cute. I love how she designed that and everything. Okay, first I want to share something that I actually bought from her. She makes enamel pins, and so I got this one. This is the Swan Queen, I believe it's called, and I got mine in white and rose gold. I actually have not opened it yet, but she has this in a black and a black and gold, I think, or gunmetal. I don't actually remember the other color. I know it was black instead of white, but of course I loved this one, the white with the rose gold, and I'm planning to put this on my Disney backpack, so that should be so much fun. It's so cute. It looks way better in person than it does in the photograph, so that's awesome. And again, I ordered that pin separately from what she sent me. And so let's just take out the stickers here. And first, she gave me a few of these little die cuts, and I went to look to see where they were from. And these two are from her new Love Spell collection. I don't know exactly where the girl is from, but these are from the Love Spell collection, so you can actually go and see if you like the roses. And it looks like a, I guess like a little cupid. It's cute. And then of course the girl. So she included those. So here are the stickers, and she sent me quite a few. And so this first one, I have a list here of all of them and all the names, and of course I will leave the entire list of stickers and the links to them in the description box below, so check that out. This first one is Gothic Whimsy #1, and I love this sticker sheet. It's black and white, and black and white you can use on like anything, like you can mix it with anything, but I love the florals. I love like the vintage hands and the keys and the bees, and then of course she added some little celestial things to this sticker sheet, but I love this. So this is Gothic Whimsy #1, and then this one is Gothic Whimsy #2, and it's basically the same. You have the same florals, you have a lot more keys, and again the stars. Love these little stars, they're great to accent your pages with. And then this one includes these orange and black and white butterflies, and I believe this was from her Halloween collection, so those butterflies are perfect for that. But I love this, and look at this border, I love that. So this is Gothic Whimsy #2. And then this one, she had sent me these stickers before, but in a different color. There are 4 different colors. This one is the Fairies and Folly #4, and this is in the sage. She also has them in a lilac, a pink, and a blue, a light blue color. But this is the sage, and has these little fairy girls. And this one is great for planners. So you have your check boxes, and you have these little banner headers, and then of course some butterflies. And these are just boxes that'll fit in, like, you know, like an Erin Condren, I think. I don't know, I don't have an Erin Condren. I just use them to like decorate. So that's what this one is, Fairies and Follies #4, and this is the sage color. This is actually really pretty. They're all really pretty. This one is called What Do the Stars Say? And it's basically the constellations the zodiac constellations, and I absolutely love this. Again, black and white can be used on any sort of project with any color, and the black and white is just perfect. And I just love the constellations and the zodiac signs, so it's awesome. It's very simple. Like this type of sticker sheet would work really well in like a bullet journal, I think. So this is What Do the Stars Say sticker sheet. And then going on with the whole space theme, this is Celestial Whimsy #1. And this one you have a fairy girl here, and then I love these Pegasus. Oh, beautiful. And these florals, and then in pink you have some of the sort of ringed planets and the clouds, and she has a enamel pin set that goes with this collection too. It was really, really cute. So yeah, so this is Celestial Whimsy, and this is #1. I love the Pegasus and the florals and that girl. It's just so perfect. This one is called You Are Magic, and it was a collaboration with Stella Plus ink, and it's basically different stickers here that say You Are Magic, and then this one is a really long sort of like a washi strip sort of sticker. These are squares and these are circles. These would make really good seals for like cards and like letters and stuff. What I would probably do is I might just kind of fussy cut around that to use it on a page if I can't get like the circle or the square shape to fit, but these are really cute. Love that. Now, these next ones are probably my favorite, and that's why they're in the back, because I kept them for last. This one is called The Birds and the Bees, and it was a collab with Dirty Work, and I absolutely love these. She sent me one of these before, I believe, and it had hearts, but this one has stars, which is pink little stars. They're so cute. Again, perfect to accent any sort of project page. I love these. Again, black and white, you can use it for absolutely anything, and just the beautiful illustrations of, you know, the florals and the birds and the bees. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. And then the rest of these are also from her collab with Dirty Work. These are called Banners and Bows, and that's what they are, banners and some bows and more of those stars in this beautiful pink, and it kind of looks very watercolory. It's so pretty, so pretty. And then the last one is called Sassy Butterflies, and this one, oh my god, it's so fun. In the butterflies, they say curse words, dirty words in them, so I'm not going to say them out loud, but it's very lightly in sort of watercolor. That's why they're called Sassy Butterflies. But they're so pretty, and again, you get some more of those banners, and it's just really subtle. So these are the Sassy Butterfly stickers. And so I'm going to leave a list down below of all the stickers that I have here that she sent me, and the corresponding links to them for her shop. And again, I'll leave a link to her shop, to her website, to her Instagram account, to all of it, so you can all go and check it out. Look at it. They're so pretty, and she's so sweet. Oh, this pin, guys, this pin. I'm actually loving this pin. It's going to go right on my Disney backpack because it's just so perfect. And it's a 2-pin back, so love, love that. So again, this is Lace and Whimsy. Fun little unboxing. And I am planning to do a sort of like journal with me video with these stickers, maybe a couple of them actually. It's just I've been fighting sort of bad weather here in New York. If you don't know, I tend to use a lot of natural light to film, and when it's cloudy and raining and storming, it's just very, very difficult to get a very good picture quality on my videos. And so a lot of them that I've been putting up have been a little grainy and a little dark. That's because, you know, my lighting, it's just terrible. So I haven't been doing a lot of sort of journaling videos, if you've noticed, at least the past week. I haven't been posting them, so hopefully the weather gets better. Hopefully. But I just kind of wanted to come on and show you this lovely unboxing. She was so sweet to send me all these stickers. And yeah, so I'm gonna, you know, put some photos up on Instagram. If you came from my Instagram, you would have seen the photos. And I can't wait to do a bunch of journal with me's with these stickers. So stay tuned for that. They are coming. They are coming. Of course, I just have to battle the light. But they are coming, and they're so beautiful. Oh my God. These stickers are just beautiful. They are. They're very well made. Made in the USA, designed by Kathy and her collabs, and they're just so pretty. Look at this postcard, guys. Just look at it. This is going on my wall. I'm currently in the process of redoing my entire space here, and this will definitely go up somewhere. If I can find a beautiful, like, white ornate frame, it will definitely be framed because it's so pretty. And that pin, I'm sorry. This is awesome. I don't actually know the pricing for all of her stickers. I do know for a fact, though, since I paid for the pin, her enamel pins are $10, and then she has sets, so you can get them in a set. So you can get whichever the other ones come in this set. You can buy them in sets for I think it's $25 for a set of 3 enamel pins. But yeah, this pin, I'm like obsessed with this pin. Like, I got it, I'm just like, honestly, it looks better, way better in person. It does, just looks way better in person, and it's just so pretty, and I'm so excited to put that in my Disney bag. You have no idea. Okay, I'm rambling now. I will leave you all here, and I really hope you enjoyed this little unboxing video, and again, stay tuned for those journal with me's. They are coming, and please go check out Lace and Whimsy. You will not regret it. I'm telling you, you will not regret it. She has a whole bunch of other stuff. She has a lot more die cuts. She has vinyl stickers that you can put like on your computer and stuff. She has whimsy boxes, which are sort of decorative boxes that you can use for art journaling or your planners. She has a lot more stickers, tons more stickers, washi tape, paper clips, you know, all the pretty stuff. And this is just a little feel of what her style is, and she does a lot more hand-drawn illustration ones like this, and like the flowers and everything. I was gravitated more towards the vintage black and white stuff this time around. So those are her stickers. Everything will be in the description box down below, so check out all the links if you like anything, and I will leave her Instagram handle also in the description box. I believe she has a coupon in her Instagram profile, so definitely check that out if you want to purchase from her. So yeah, I really hope you liked this quick unboxing, and thank you for watching like always, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!